Hi, what happens when you put molten salt into a pan of just regular water? Molten salt melts at a temperature of 1,474 degrees Fahrenheit or 801 degrees Celsius. At that temperature, to handle the container of molten salt, you have to have some sort of a grabber to grab the container that it's in and to pour it into the pan of water. So let's test out the molten salt into water experiment, and let's see what exactly happens. 3, 2, 1, 0. Holy crap! Now that was an explosion. I mean, it just completely exploded violently. If you were to do this and pour molten salt into a glass aquarium, that entire aquarium would just explode and shatter. Absolutely amazing. Molten salt. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time.